Do you write your sales copy for your website? I want to bust the myth that you have to be super creative or super gifted to write great copy. I was not very good at English at school, but I have taught myself over the last 25 years how to write effective copy. And in this video, I'm going to share 7 sales copy tips to help convert more clicks on your website into customers. And at the end, in the last tip, I'm going to share with you what I found what really ramped up my conversations once I started using this one single tip. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you are new here or you want street smart practical tips to fix your business each week, then hit the subscribe button and notification button below. Tip number 1, get inside your clients' heads. The biggest mistake I see over and over is businesses thinking on behalf of their customers. They assume or guess what their customers are thinking and most times they get it wrong and send your customers running to competition. Success in copywriting and marketing means 100% accuracy to what your customers really want, 0% on what you want. Customers don't care what you want. They spend their money where they want. So how do you find out this accuracy you need? The answer is research. Spend time researching about what your customers really want. Find out the real answers, and your marketing will yield great results. Tip number 2, write a compelling headline. Your headline is 80% of your success. Here's a great tip if your website is not getting the results you want. Review your headline. Think of a newspaper. You know those things people used to read before the internet. The newspaper's formula for getting sold was to have a clear, compelling headline at the top of the first page. If the headline grabbed a customer's attention, they will be interested in reading the article and therefore buy the newspaper. The same applies to your website and all your marketing material. Think of it as the front of a newspaper. Does yours have a clear heading that customers understand and are emotionally invoked to read further? Tip number 3, your main body bullet points. Your main body of your sales or your web page should list in bullet points the pain or problems of your customers and your solutions to these pain points. The purpose of these bullet points is to evoke emotion, communicate your features, and create interest and curiosity. Now, if you spend quality time researching in tip number 1, getting inside the head of your clients, this tip will be easy. You will already have all the answers to write super compelling copy. You're writing words that they want to read, not what you think they want to read. And this huge difference will see your clicks going through the roof. Tip number 4, provide social proof. In today's digital world, people look for reviews and testimonials before they buy. So to make sure customers buy your stuff, you need to have lots of great reviews and testimonials as social proof. If others are buying your stuff and saying good things, others think it must be safe, and so they are therefore more inclined to buy your stuff. So getting reviews and testimonials must be a solid and consistent strategy in your business, not a part-time or when you get round to it or when you remember. Reviews are that important, and they must be genuine, and they should be written in a format that articulate your value. In other words, the review or testimonial should tell the reader exactly how you solve their problem better than others. Tip number 5, add a bonus. Everyone loves a free gift, so give your customers one. But here are 2 very important points. Number 1, make sure your gift is compelling. Make sure it is something your customers would be interested in getting to solve one of their problems. And how do you do this? Well, tip number 1, research tells you exactly what your customers want. So just give it to them. 2, when creating your copy, create a sense of urgency. For example, if you sign up today, you will get this free bonus. But be sincere and reward your customers for taking action. This is a powerful win-win situation. Tip number 6, have a clear call to action. Every piece of marketing needs a crystal clear call to action. The same applies to your website. You need a call to action with precise instructions so your customers know exactly what to do. Now, there are two types of calls to action, passive or active. What's the difference? Let's say you have a leaking pipe in your bathroom and water is running out all over the floor. You're now trying to find someone to sort these issues out right away. So you Google plumber in your neighborhood, and here's the options you discover. Website 1. Welcome to Bob's Plumbing Company. We can fix anything from a broken sink to a drenched bunker and everything else. Just give us a call when you're ready and we'll be happy to see how we can help you. This call to action is passive. Let's look at website number 2. Got a leak that needs fixing ASAP? Call 1-300-PLUMBER now for an immediate response. This call to action is active. So which company would you call? Have a look and see if your calls to action are clear and precise, or they're helping build your competition's business. Tip number 7, make your customers feel secure. I think this is a huge one that most people miss out on. Beneath your call to action, you should have, in smaller writing words, that take away your customers' fear or barriers as to why they would not click your call to action button. So for example, underneath your subscribe now button, you would have no spam. Your details are 100% safe if you're trying to get an opt-in in exchange for something. Join today. Start your no risk free 7 trial today. Another below call to action button would be something like no obligation, 30-day money back guarantee, ironclad guarantee, cancel anytime, speak to a real person. So there you go, 7 tips on how to write sales copy for websites and get more clicks into customers. If you did find this video helpful, please like it below and leave a comment on which tips you will be using. This video is part of week 4 of my 7-week business transformation course, which has helped over 700 plus very happy business owners. And week 4 of that course is all about creating your online success. If you would like to learn exactly how to set and implement these foundational tips and build a website that sells 24/7, including how to create killer sales videos and how to build sales funnels and a digital marketing strategy that suits your business, then check out the link below to see how to begin your free 30-day trial. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next training video.